Are you curious about why some brands, regardless of the economic climate, continue skyrocketing sales while others fail? What's their secret to having people always throw their money at them? Their playbook isn't overly complex. It's all about emotions, habits, and beliefs. Take Apple, for instance. They don't just sell a product, they sell an identity. In a time of flashy graphics and viral memes, it's more than just crafting humorous ads or hyped up product launches that hold the key to marketing success. It's about making the brand an important part of the audience's identity. Not only their present identity, but their aspirational one, who they want to become. The results is a sales strategy so compelling that it not only influences buying decisions, but permeates the way we perceive and conduct ourselves daily. This was proven in a Duke University study that discovered brief exposure to well known brands like Apple can prompt people to behave in ways that echo the brand's traits. This is why Apple's Mac versus PC campaign was a stroke of marketing genius. It wasn't just the humor, but the fact it was so successful in appealing to a person's identity, both present and aspirational. It established an exclusive culture, community, luring some in while distancing others, a strategy used by all of the great brands. We are social creatures. We use others as benchmarks for our likes, dislikes, and purchasing decisions. This phenomenon, known as the mimic theory of desire, is why we tend to want things we see others flaunting in an appealing manner. But it doesn't stop there. Companies can leverage this concept further by showcasing their happy customers loving their products or services. This social proof is a powerful marketing tool that brands like Apple have expertly utilized. However, even small scale businesses can still benefit from this strategy by sharing customer testimonials, case studies, and positive reviews. Anything that assures potential customers that people like them are already satisfied customers. To step up the game further, businesses can exploit the principle of loss aversion. This principle shows that people would rather stick with a mediocre business where results are predictable than gamble on a promising newcomer with uncertain outcome. They avoid the risk of losing face if they make the wrong decision. But doesn't that contradict the marketing mantra of standing out from the crowd? Not really. It's not about being different at the expense of safety, reliability, or results. So to wrap it up, if you want to nail attraction marketing, you should exploit these principles of identity, social proof, and loss aversion from marketing services to selling socks. For example, Apple's marketing strategy efficiently plays on FOMO, the fear of missing out, by highlighting all the amazing features a user will miss out on if they don't upgrade to their latest device. And then there's the power of the first impression, known as the halo effect in psychology. This can make customers trust everything about you from the moment they encounter you. So consider the concept of anchoring, setting a high price point first that makes all subsequent prices seem reasonable. It's a technique even savvy customers find hard to resist. You can take a leaf from Apple's book and use these psychological marketing tricks to drive your sales through the roof, attracting a loyal community of customers that eagerly await your next product or service. So remember this if you have a product to sell. These tips will help you be successful in getting the word out to people that your product or service can help them. Thanks for your time today. Have a good one.